Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Discover Your Weekly Insights feature on the Revolut app. So they just launched these features, so it's in my suggested for you page. Let's see what they have. Welcome to your weekly insights. Ready for the big reveal of how you spent and saved this week? Drum roll please. Last week's spend summed up. Spent 286 lei. Your favorite spending on restaurants, 149 lei. Your first merchant was DAS, 62 lei. Little goes a long way. You are pocketed 32 lei, so it's in my wallet. And are these insights useful for you? Let us know and we will try. So that's it. I think this feature is quite useful and it's a beautiful way to showcase all the details of your spendings. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you and see you in the next video.